If you have an iPhone or a Samsung with the ear speaker that sounds low or muffled and you're looking for a quick and easy fix, then don't click away because in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to solve your problem. What's going on everyone, Reboot here. Today I'll be using the Sick Patient, which is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, to show you how to fix your low or muffled ear speaker. To keep it simple, there are two causes for a low or muffled ear speaker. The first one being that the actual ear speaker itself is faulty or is starting to malfunction. The second one, which is more common and is most likely your situation, is a dirty ear speaker. Taking a look at the ear speaker on this 12 Pro Max, it doesn't look too dirty to the naked eye, so let's just take a closer look to see how dirty this bad boy really is. Once we place it under the microscope, we can see that about 85% of the ear speaker mesh is covered up with this disgusting gunk, which is the root cause of all evil. This is most likely earwax, sweat, and other debris that has built up over time and has made its way into those tiny ear speaker holes. Here's how the ear speaker currently sounds.
Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3.
I know, pretty bad, right? But don't worry, this is something that is very easy to fix just by cleaning. To begin, we are going to need three things. A cleaning brush. If you don't have one, you could use an old toothbrush, preferably one with soft bristles. If not, a harder bristled brush should be just fine. Just remember to apply less pressure and be more gentle when cleaning. Next, we're also going to be using 99% isopropyl alcohol as our cleaning substance. This exact brand I purchased on Amazon for around $10 if I'm not mistaken. You will also need a tiny container to pour your alcohol into. I will be using this little bottle here to apply a few drops at a time, but you can also use a Q-tip soaked in alcohol to apply it onto the ear speaker mesh. Last, we're also going to be using these cleaning Q-tips or cleaning cloth to clean the mess that we make. Don't worry if you don't have these, a regular cotton Q-tip and an old microfiber towel will do the trick. Alright, so getting started, I first like to gently brush over the ear speaker before applying any alcohol, just to loosen up all that gunk and remove whatever hasn't made its way too deep into those tiny holes. Next, after giving the speaker mesh a quick little brush, we can apply a few drops of alcohol and start brushing again, which will really start removing a lot of that gunk that's been stuck in the ear speaker. Make sure not to use an excessive amount of alcohol, as you don't want to run the risk of this getting inside your phone and damaging that actual ear speaker. I recommend using a Q-tip or microfiber towel to pick up any gunk or debris that's starting to come out of those tiny holes. Give the alcohol some time to dry and then proceed to check the ear speaker mesh to see if it looks clean. Repeat these cleaning steps as needed, but keep in mind that you might not be able to get this 100% looking like new depending on how deep some of that debris is. But I can assure you that you will notice a significant difference in audio quality after giving the ear speaker a good clean. Taking a final look underneath the microscope, we can see how the tiny holes on the ear speaker mesh are a lot more clean, but a lot of that gunk still stayed around the edges of the ear speaker mesh. Although we didn't get this to our liking, the customer will definitely notice a huge difference in audio quality. Here's what it sounds like after it's been clean.
Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
Like always, make sure to hit that thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with future videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.